welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 10-minute build challenge in Toca, and some of my builds take me like an hour to do, or something like half an hour to an hour most of the time, because building for me is really hard in Toca. Well, it's not hard, but like I just like to go into a lot of details, so this does normally take me a while. I'm only going to be using stuff in the home designer, so going to like the Huss store and everything, I'm not going to do that. It's just going to be a base that you guys can use for free. Just please give credits. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to head over to the tiny house right now. So guys, I went ahead and made myself a completely blank canvas, as you can see. But anyways, I'm going to get building, and the time starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the time has started. And sorry, I had to check if I was screen recording. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to add this one, I guess. My friend told me this tip to make stuff look nice. Just add curtains really anywhere, but yeah. I may put the bed over here, and we'll get this nightstand. And I'll get that, I guess. And then I will create myself a desk. So, yeah. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm mostly done the build. By the way, guys, before I forget, this video was inspired by Gabriella. But instead of the A, it's an X, Toca, I believe her user is. But I'll leave you, I might leave you guys the link, I don't know. But I'll tell you her channel and stuff, so you can go watch it. But anyways, here's the bedroom. And time I have, let me just check. I have 7 minutes left. 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. So I'm gonna work here. Okay, time for the kitchen. The kitchen builds are actually pretty quick for me, so this shouldn't take long. Oh, I just have to do that. Okay. The bathroom time. Seconds left to add some final touches. Oh my gosh, I guess I can fix this up a little bit, make okay guys, so that was my timer that just went off. I cannot add any more final details, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you the way around the house. So guys, this was so stressful. I did speed parts up and stuff, but yeah. So here's the bathroom. I was also talking to myself while I did it, so yeah. Here's the bathroom, and then, so we have a shower sink. I could have done this so much nicer, but yeah. Next, we have the kitchen with the oven and stuff. This does not go with the vibe. Like, I honestly didn't know what to add. Like, why a bright blue fridge? Like, I didn't know. I was just stressed out. Then we have the living room, which actually turned out pretty nice. I just wish the TV was, like, up in, like, this area here. Like, the blank area above the paint, like, in this area. But, yeah. Here, I think, is the best room in the house. But, so, yeah. Right now, I'm ladies, hey. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm struggling. Right now, I'm going to import pictures of what each room looks like so we can properly see, and you guys can recreate if you want. Please give credits. Anyways, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Credit ideas are in the description below and some other stuff. But that's it for this video. Bye!